In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change layers in Adobe Express. Even though Adobe Express doesn't include a traditional layers panel like you might see in other design tools, you can still control which elements appear in front of or behind others. This is done by managing the stacking order of your elements, which is essentially how layers work in this app. Start by selecting the element you want to move. This could be text, an image, an icon, or a shape. Click directly on it on the canvas so it's highlighted. If something is hard to select because it's hidden behind another item, try clicking near the edge of the element or temporarily moving the element on top so you can grab the one beneath. Once your element is selected, look to the right-hand panel and find the Arrange options. This is where the stacking controls live in Adobe Express. From here, you'll see choices that determine the element's position in the stack. Bring to front places the selected item above every other element in your design. This is perfect when your text or a logo is getting lost behind a photo and needs to pop. Send to back does the opposite, pushing the element behind everything else. Use this when you want a background image or shape to sit underneath your content. For more precise control, use Move Forward or Move Backward. These options shift your element one step at a time through the stack, which is helpful when you only want it to slide past a specific item rather than jumping straight to the very top or bottom. Think of it like nudging your element through a deck of cards until it lands exactly where you need it. Repeat this process for each element in your design until everything is layered just right. It can help to make small adjustments, check how the elements overlap, and then refine as needed. If you're composing a complex layout with text over images and decorative shapes, taking it one element at a time ensures you keep control and avoid accidentally burying something important. When your stacking order looks correct, preview your project to make sure everything reads well and nothing is accidentally hidden. Look for crisp edges, readable text, and balanced spacing. Once you're happy with the result, go ahead and download your design in your preferred format or share it directly from Adobe Express. That's all it takes to manage layers in Adobe Express by controlling the stacking order. With just a few quick adjustments in the Arrange panel, you can bring focus to the right elements and create a clean, professional layout.